Hey everyone, ready to boost your English skills? Let's learn some new words using these fun visuals. Guess along and see how many you know. What is this called?
Grater,
What is this called?
colander,
What is this called?
rolling pin,
What is this called?
peeler,
What is this called?
cutting board,
What is this called?
spatula,
What is this called?
tongs,
What is this called?
whisk,
What is this called?
can opener,
What is this called?
garlic press,
What is this called?
kitchen shears,
What is this called?
wooden spoons,
What is this called?
blender,
What is this called?
food processor,
What is this called?
immersion blender,
What is this called?
stand mixer,
What is this called?
salad spinner,
What is this called?
ladle,
What is this called?
pizza cutter,
What is this called?
pastry brush,
What is this called?
slotted spoon,
What is this called?
potato masher,
What is this called?
mandolin,
What is this called?
egg separator,
What is this called?
sifter/sieve,
What is this called?
oven mitts,
What is this called?
mezzaluna,
What is this called?
bottle opener,
What is this called?
egg slicer,
What is this called?
hot pads or trivets,
What is this called?
apron,
What is this called?
steamer basket,
What is this called?
scoop,
What is this called?
baster,
What is this called?
squeezer.
How many did you get correct? Share your scores and subscribe for more fun challenges.